business. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to plan your video to go viral and to get money, how to budget for your YouTube plan. Number one, after you have arranged your videos for the year, if you are living in Africa, you know African companies doesn't pay much in the art. So let's assume you are to pay per view is $0.2. This $0.2 multiplied by 1,000 view, it will give you $200. Is it $200? No. It's going to give you, yes, $200. So this $200 you are to convert it to your currency. So assuming you are targeting $1 million, or let's assume $100,000, what you're going to do, make yourself every week to be posting 10 videos. If you cannot be able to post 10 videos, make at least 5 videos a week. 5 times 4, which is 20 videos in a week, in a month, times 12. 20 times 12, that is, you have 240 videos in a year, multiplied by the views. Let's assume, make a target that every month you are targeting each video to get not less than 500 views. So do your tariff campaign, make the video to go around to your social media. Make sure that you hit that target. If that target didn't achieve, don't rest until you hit that target. This plan that I'm telling you, it works for me and it will work for you. Multiply that 500 views by the amount of per view that YouTube do pay in your country. Assuming you are targeting $1,000, this $1,000 divided by 1,000 views, multiplied by the per charge that YouTube pays